Hi and welcome to my podcast. Today we are going to be doing a story problem in GeoGebra about Disney World. Okay, to start off here, you're going to need to open up your GeoGebra file, which I already have. And if you need to insert a picture, you're going to go up here and you're going to go to Edit, Insert Image From, and File. If you do that, you can click wherever your picture is and insert that into the GeoGebra file and size it however you wish. Okay, our problem is the Disney World crew has a great idea for a new thrill ride in Fantasyland. The problem is they don't know where to place it. They would like it to be placed equidistant from the three most popular sections, Frontierland, Adventureland, and Tomorrowland. They also would like to know how far apart the new ride is from the existing section. Help them figure out where to place the new ride. Okay, so we're going to use the concurrency of the perpendicular bisector theorem for this. To start off, we need to have the vertices of the triangle. So we're going to go up here to this little new point, click on the red down arrow, and click new point. I like to make my points a little bit bigger and easier to see. So I'm going to turn it to an X and erase the size up. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Okay, so we need to place it on Frontierland, Adventureland, and Tomorrowland. Now that we have the vertices of our triangle, we're going to have to connect them through the sides of the triangle. So we're done with this step. Now we have to draw the sides of the triangle. I'm going to use the segment between 2 points, that way we don't have extra lines everywhere. And you click one point and go to the other. Same for all three of them. Okay, now that we have our triangle, this is where we use the concurrency of the perpendicular bisector theorem. The concurrency of the perpendicular bisector theorem states that the perpendicular bisectors of the side of a triangle are concurrent at a point equidistant from the vertices. So that means that the point where the perpendicular bisectors meet, which is called the circumcenter, is equidistant or equidistant from each of these 3 points. So to find the perpendicular bisector, we're going to go up to here, to perpendicular line, and to the little arrow, and find perpendicular bisector. Now all we have to do for this is click which line we want to bisect. So we click on each of the sides here, and you'll notice that they intersect at this point right here, and that's called the circumcenter. Now that we're done with this, I'll get rid of that. So the circumcenter is right here. Now we can add a new point to that area so that we know exactly where it's at. Change this back to the regular size. And when you put the point on there, you want to make sure that all 3 bisectors light up. That way you know you're on the right spot. So point F is where the ride should be. It also says in the question that they want to know how far it is from that. So we're going to use the distance tool to figure out how far away it is from each of the sections. So we're going to go up here to distance or length, and all we have to do is click on the vertice, so C to F, and then we see that CF is 6.26. Now D to F is also, and E to F is the same. So we know that they're all equidistant from the new ride. And that is how to use GeoGebra to find the circumcenter of a triangle. Thank you.